A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. V. This is the letter V. This is the letter V. V says V, V. The letter V. This is a vase. Vase starts with the letter V. We can put flowers in the vase. Vase. Vase starts with the letter V. Vacuum. Vacuum starts with a V. V, V, vacuum. Forward, backward, forward, backward. Let's have a snack. Here are some vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots. Vegetables starts with V. V, vegetables. Here is a vase. Here is another vase. And another one. Vase starts with V. The vase. Let's count the vases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 vases. Vase starts with V. Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 vases. Let's make some valentines. This valentine says, I love you. This valentine says, be mine. Valentine starts with V. The, valentine. First, you take a piece of paper and fold it in half. On the folded side, we want to draw a curved line. Start here, bring it up and around and down to a point. After you make the line, you can cut it out. Cut on the lines. And when you get to the end of your line, when you open this up, you have a heart. You can write on the heart. Be mine. Let's do it again with the red one. Fold it in half. Draw a curved line. Comes down to a point. And cut it out. This one is red. When we open it up, we have a heart. We can write another Valentine message like, I love you. We have a pink heart and a red heart. Be my Valentine. Valentine starts with V. I wrote a story just for you. A letter V story. Turn the page. Vincent and Violet are twins. Vincent likes to eat vegetables. Violet likes to make valentines. Vincent likes to play with his toy van. Violet likes to put flowers in a vase. Vincent practices the violin. Violet vacuums the carpet. Vincent and Violet are very good kids. The end. The letter V.